Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Election Day, Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. You're in the live trading room with Tim the Trader. Welcome, everybody. Hope you all had a wonderful evening. Well, it's finally here, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, Election Day. Can you believe it? Seems like this election cycle has been going on forever. But finally today, although I doubt we're going to know anything for a few days, but at least we're starting the final bit of this campaign season. So, and what I'm also hoping is that we're going to see increased volatility in the markets between that and the Fed announcement on Thursday. This is yesterday's charts. We had what has become kind of our normal sell-off in the first couple of minutes of the market, followed by a huge swing high right after. Had three trades yesterday, ended up plus 63 for yesterday, so that's a good day for a Monday. And let's see, triple Q closed at 486.05 and it's currently sitting at 487.44, so no gap play so far this morning. It's been a while since we've had a gap play. No, it's just been a couple of days. That's right, we had one. Anyway, yeah, Q is sitting at 487.46. Let's go over to the option chain. We've got just 403,000 traded on the pre-market volume. We are trading November 6th. That's tomorrow's expiration. We'll start at the money or thereabouts at the 487 on the call side, 488 on the put side, and just 405,000 in pre-market volume. But I think I already mentioned that. Anyway, with that, let's toss it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, finally the election day is here. We did have a goods and services trade balance numbers come out at 8:30 this morning. Just slightly below what they were estimating, and the trade balance from September were down about another percent lower in for September. October global composite PMI. It's funny, it doesn't show. It was showing what they were to be, but didn't show what the results were. The Red Book Index year to year was up 6%. They were last month it was up 5.6, so a little better than that. ISM numbers, the manufacturing numbers are coming out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop at 10. And we will have a 10-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today.
1 o'clock.
And that's the end of the planned announcements for today.
Okay, thank you, sir. Just want to make sure I write down this bond auction at 1 p.m. Bond auction.
And by the way, I only had two trades yesterday. It was up 40 cents, though, for our total on those two trades yesterday.
Okay, good Monday.
Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And it may be low volume today with the election today. I wouldn't expect to be actually very high volume today.
Yeah. Yeah, good point. So we'll see. We'll get what we get, and we'll get what trades we get, and like that.
We won't force things. We'll wait till they come to us.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Great point. All right, we got less than 30 seconds. Make sure that each of your charts, you have 20 cents between each of the hash marks on the right side of each of your charts. So we're always looking at the same size candles from day to day. We got 15 seconds till the market opens. And here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. And trying to get the broader markets going here. Let's admit a couple of folks. There we go. Nope, not listening to music still. Okay. Getting a bit of a push up here right off the bat on the first minute. Good all that pre-market volumes being figured into the options. All right, I'm going to go to the 486 on the call side. 486. Not going to jump into something too soon here. We'll just wait. Make
Wow,
sure.
those are expensive.
Boy, they are. Ooh,
Good
goodness.
golly.
Oh my gosh. That is extra expensive today. In that case, I'm going to move the 487 on the call side. Golly, I can't remember the last time I spent $6. Too much. Okay. 487 on the call side. Stand by. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let's see what our broader markets are doing. Dow is up by 32, Nas up by 106, S&P's up by 21. So that's our starting point. Just had a feeling this call was not going to go very far.
Mm.
1.3 million in the underlying volume. Pretty good volume so far. If we can keep this up. All right. I'm going to go that 487 on the call side. Just keep an eye on it here. Seem to be hitting some resistance.
I'm going to put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
You end up close to yesterday's high also.
Mm-hmm.
MACD's getting pretty high on the Heikenasi chart too.
Yeah, we're hitting a bit of resistance up here. Market maker having a harder time advancing price. Basically just running out of traders. But we'll see if this call direction continues.
Really finding a hard stop there,
Mhm.
trying to get above that. $1.7 million underlying traded so far.
All right. Going to the 488. Make sure this is not a crazy Ivan.
You mean like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see if it stays above yesterday's high.
All right. Still at the 488 on the call side.
Go ahead and try to get in on this.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get in. Let's go ahead and get in on that. Yeesh. Filled at 587. Did you get in, Keith?
Not yet. 587. I did finally get in.
Ah, same price.
Don't know what was going on there. I'm gonna try to get 20 cents on this if it'll jump up there. Come on, get back up there. Come on. Oh, you turkey. Come on, get back up there.
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? I got stopped out.
Okay.
Oh, wow, it jumped way down. The my other account, I'm still in it.
All right, come back up. You can do it. See what our broader markets are doing. So Dow's up 59, Nas up 116, S&P's up 24.
And 2.3 million underlying traded. Not a huge amount.
Not great volume.
There we go. Come on, get back up there. There we go. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Come on, keep going. Oh, turkey, come on, get up there.
Kind of hanging out in a bit of a tight range here. I'm going to go ahead and put a supply zone up on the top of this.
It's not great agreement, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. We wait for this trade to sort itself out. Go.
Not huge volume on these 1 minute candles.
No, no, not at all.
All right, there you go.
There we go.
That's getting better.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit on this.
I did too. I got 16 cents on it.
Okay. And me too. Yeah. 587 to 603.
I would just get ready to move it up some, and
Yeah,
it fell.
586 to 603.
All right.
Took a long time. Now it will go up. Just watch.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe
Just for you, Asheen.
not.
Oh, they see my trade. I don't understand this thing.
I know.
They are just looking at my trade.
They are. They are ashamed.
When Oshim gets in, Oshim gets out.
That was a pretty big candle a couple minutes ago on the 1 minute chart.
Mhm.
MACD's getting pretty high again on the Heiken Aussie, up 7.3 or 0.73, excuse me.
Yeah, it is.
In the 5 minute, we're over 1.15. So both are getting pretty high. Got just about 9 minutes to go to the pop of the top. And again, there were a number of announcements that can move things at the pop. So my preference would not to be in one going into the pop.
Yeah.
The long-term charts are definitely strong green also.
Yes. Yes, they are.
Good morning, Tim.
Good morning.
I got two trades in on the upswing.
Oh, awesome, Israel. How'd you do?
Good, good.
Good. Andrew got 24, made 24 on that last trade. Good job, Andrew. And good job, Israel. Yeah, so that last call trade just needed a few minutes to sort itself out before it broke through.
Yeah, unfortunately, my one account stopped out, but the other one didn't.
Price trying to reverse here a bit.
Percentage gains on these trades are going to be down a little bit today because of the high prices on them.
Yeah. So I think we took profit at the right time
Oh, yeah.
on that last trade.
And if you didn't get out before, you certainly will have an opportunity here to get out.
Yeah.
But particularly with the MACDs being pretty high on the Heiken-Aussie and the 5-minute, I would be not looking to stay in much longer myself if I was still in. Tim, my daughter says she's having a hard time hearing me. Are you having a hard time hearing me?
No.
No.
Okay. All right. She just tends to tune me out at times, you know.
Yeah, I think that's a different issue.
Last couple days she's been off school because of the election and I guess a planning day yesterday. So she's actually been sitting with my son-in-law trying to learn this a little bit more too.
Oh, yeah, I see Chess is on. Hey,
Yeah.
Chess. Cool. My daughter is off of school as well. Well, price is still marching up.
Oh, boy.
Was looking like the Heiken-Aussie off that last little reversal was going to cross, but it did not. So we're continuing up in space here.
And we're about 4 minutes to the pop. I think the market maker's trying to get rid of some positions before he gonna turns it at the pop.
Yep. Could very well be. We often get, when price is rising, market maker is selling, or the market makers are selling into that rise. And you often see one last long candle before they do reverse, just trying to empty the warehouse of all their positions.
Well, that MACD on the Heikin-Ashi is up almost to 1, really high.
Yeah. Yeah, it's due for some reversal. About coming up on 2.5 minutes from the pop at the top. Dow's up 195, Nas up 175, S&P's up 41 on 3,200,000, fairly low volume.
Yep, that definitely is low volume. About 50 seconds to the pop. There's the pop.
There it is. Wow. Wow.
Wasn't expecting that. One last gasp at selling their positions before they turn it.
Probably. Yeah.
And it can certainly a lot of times change his direction after a minute to 3 minutes.
Sometimes the 4th minute too.
Mm-hmm. So the market maker clearly wanted to raise price on that pop, getting increased volume in.
Yeah, still not huge volume on that though.
No, just touching 100,000. Would like to see a reset here.
Yep, I would agree. Wow, Dow's up 239, Nasdaq's up 203, and S&P's up 48 and a half. So big jump on all the markets there.
Mhm.
Still only 3.6 million underlying traded on the Qs though.
Yeah, pretty slow volume for
Yeah.
sure. All right, we have crossed under on our 1 minute Heikin-Ashi MACD.
And Mr. Market Maker, I would not say that constitutes a reset in the charts just because we got a shallow crossover.
Yeah. Let's see. If we end up on the put side, I'd probably go to the 493 or the 492.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 492, but I maybe just wait for this to reset and get into another call once it comes down.
Yeah.
Because it certainly doesn't look like it's in a hurry to turn around.
No.
When you look back at the 1 minute volume candles, there's a number of them that just barely or just barely underneath the 100,000.
Mm-hmm.
Just not much volume there.
No, not a whole lot. That may be all the reset we're going to get, Keith.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't even get down to 0.5 on the MACD there on the Heikin-Ashi chart.
Yeah.
Watch out for Crazy Ivan on the next candle, though.
There it is. There it is.
You think I'd seen that before or something?
You'd think.
Yeah. Great, Keith.
I've seen it so many times I'd almost consider trading a put as soon as it gets close to the top of that green candle.
Sure.
With the low volume today, I would just looked at the 492 if I would have done that. It hadn't moved much.
Mm-hmm.
Just not enough volume today.
CNBC says markets brace for election results.
They could have written that months ago.
Uh-huh. Dow's up 246, really? I have the Dow up 268, Nav's up 185, S&P's up 45. Now we're getting a more serious reset.
Market makers just trying to do something to get some volume going here.
It's like a reverse Crazy Ivan.
Yep.
All right, let's see if this call can reset. Okay, I'm going to move up the supply zone or add a new supply zone at the very top here.
Oh yeah, there's good agreement there.
Yeah. So let's put that right there. And we'll add the zone in 0898. There we go. Add a day to it, change it to red. Color, more, HSV, 60. Okay, okay. Let's change the price level to red. All right, and then we're going to turn this other one into a minor zone. Just turn it gray. There we go. Our Heikenasi MACD is almost reset back to 0, back to center line. Looks like we're continuing to try to sell off here a little bit. It's just very, very slow.
You know, we possibly could move that demand zone up to the third and fourth candles too on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah. There we go. Now, what I'd like to see is for price to continue up, break through this supply zone, then we can look at another call trade.
Yeah, those ISM numbers that came out at 10 were a little better than anticipated or a little better than the previous month.
Hmm. Okay. Got some volume coming in on this minute, at least comparatively.
Yeah, look at that. Can't tell by the price change though.
Mm-mm. Really just going sideways here. Come on, give us something we can trade here. So far, just one trade in, plus 16.
Yep, same here. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Sure. Oh, excuse me.
I'd like to see it get up above the previous highs before I would get into another call.
Yes.
You didn't jump into one yet, did you, Tim?
No, not yet. But I am looking at it. I'm going to go to the 491 on the call side here.
Yeah, same here. You should have whispered you were looking at that because it heard you. Turned around.
I also thought so. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's right, Ashim. You don't have to whisper. It's looking over your shoulder.
Yeah, I can see.
Wow, Dow's up 326 now. Nas up 197. S&P's up 50. Just have a little over 5 million in volume.
Pretty anemic.
It is.
You're just looking at those 1 minute candles. Just not much there.
You can see we're starting to get some wave action here, price wave action. So we may change our strategy up a little bit. Oops. 5 minute Heikenausi is about to, MACD is about to cross. 1 minute Heikenausi, it's got back to center line, 0 point. So if this will reverse, I'll consider an early call.
You mean an early put?
No, actually, I'm just looking at the range.
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to go over to the 490 on the call side. Stand by. All right. 490 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this and try it. I'm in at 498.
I hate, Tim, I tried a put just on some contracts coming down
Mm-hmm.
and still in it.
Okay.
Probably didn't get in soon enough. What time did I get in? Got in at 10:28. Trying to get 10 cents on it. Gotten close a couple times, but just hasn't filled. There it
That should
is.
do it.
Yep. All right, got 10 cents on it.
Good.
Waiting for your wave to go back up now.
Mm-hmm.
What strike are you in?
I'm in the 490.
And what price did you get in?
498.
Okay. Yeah, that MACD's starting to flatten out a little bit, even though it's pretty shallow.
Mm-hmm.
I think you'll be fine on that. Particularly doing a call with the way the market's going.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Well, heading in the right direction for you now.
It is. It is.
Do you enter a close order just above the supply zone there?
As a matter of fact,
Yeah, yeah. All right, jump up there for you.
come on, get on up there. So we're an hour in. We got 5,600,000 in on the underlying. And Dow's up 353, and Nas up 174, S&P's up 50.
CNBC states the results, that is, the results of the election, could have a significant effect on where stocks end the year, but investors may want to brace for some near-term choppiness.
Good. That's what we want.
Yeah.
Boy, look at that volume. Nothing.
In a second, I got to get my microscope. Yeah, I'm not going to get into any more trades here this morning. I got a dentist appointment afterwards, and I don't want to be stuck in a trade waiting for it to do something.
Yeah,
Just this low volume, it just
I
stinks.
don't blame you. Thank you. Got it.
Good.
497 to 519.
Nice.
Now watch. Now watch. Watch.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Market Maker was definitely trying to extend that direction. Look at that volume, well above 100,000, and the corresponding candle that went with it. But that's all it's going to give us is right there.
What did you get out for, Tim?
Got out for 518, so 20 cents.
Oh, great. Fantastic.
But that is a way that we can play these waves, just looking at the range that it's kind of moving back and forth from. Andrew, 2 trades for plus 45. Way to go, Andrew.
It's going up. Machine must have gotten out.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that volume on the that one candle too.
Yeah, the 1044.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're probably, if this goes like it has been going, we're reaching the top of this little range here.
We probably can move that supply zone up.
Yeah, indeed. So for as slow as this morning has been, to get a couple of good trades out of it, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'll be right back.
It looks like could be the start of another wave there. Make sure it's not a crazy Ivan. It's a big move with not much volume.
Okay.
Like maybe a start of a wave down, Tim.
Yeah, looks like. All right, see if this is going to head back up. Excuse me. I'm going to head back over to the 490 on the call side. On the way down to VWAP, it looks like.
Wow, sure enough.
Okay. Looking at the 490 on the call side. Ooh, it's getting late though. It's not quite wanting to turn around, but it will.
We did find some support at VWAP there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, we got 11 o'clock Eastern. Let's go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. Slow morning, but we still managed to get two good trades out of it. And that's it. I believe the chart's up for a while. I've got to take him down early afternoon for some other things. And that's it. Keep an eye out. If you're still trading, keep an eye out for that call trade. I think it's going to happen. But I think that's it for me this morning. Thank you, Keith.
Yep. Yeah, thanks, Tim. Thanks,
Yeah.
everybody.
And
See you
thank you,
tomorrow.
thank you, everybody, for supporting the room. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Take care.